After 6 hours, it's time to take out our newly copper-plated Michael Myers head. The electroplating process has given the 3D printed model a solid layer of copper. I'll carefully rinse off any remaining copper solution to reveal the shiny, detailed finish. Look at that shine. The copper plating has turned our Michael Myers head into a glossy, metallic masterpiece. Stay tuned for the next step where we'll take it even further with the nickel plating process, adding a sleek, protective layer for an even more polished look.